Batch 42 is clear. Scan the next one. The moisture content looks perfect on this batch.
This batch is logged and ready.
Inside this massive facility, production never stops. Monitored by advanced robotics, flawless quality. Welcome to the future of automated cable texturing. Inside this massive facility, production never stops. Thousands of tons of nylon PA66 granules flow daily, monitored by advanced robotics to ensure flawless. To ensure the highest quality, all moisture must be removed from the nylon granules. This massive hopper system maintains perfect heat, guaranteeing flawless production. To ensure the highest quality, moisture must be completely removed. Precision sensors monitor every batch. These nylon granules are automatically transported. They enter high-speed injection molding machines. This ensures a flawless, continuous flow. Suction moves the dried nylon granules. Sensors and valves operate flawlessly. This is precision automation at work.
Welcome to the front line of Industry 4.0, where highly intelligent systems operate in perfect harmony.